your gold medalist tonight for men's snowboard superpipe. Show your love for Danny Davis!
Man, you just won the X Games.
Holy shit!
Oh man.
Holy shit!
This is tight. First finals, gold medal.
I'm stoked, man. I can't. It's taken some time to set in, and like I said, that switch thing. Just gonna try to make that last as long as possible. They seem to be liking it, and I'm having a lot of fun doing it. So I'm stoked, man.
What are you gonna do now till the Olympics?
I'm gonna go ride some more, man. Just keep on my snowboard and maybe go home for a couple days, see my dogs, and just keep ripping.
Dude, man, congrats. This is awesome. This is really good.
Thank you.